If you want to make your text stand out on Gimp, what we need to do is get some text into the area there. Click on the fuzzy select tool. So if we click on that, now what you want to do is click on the first letter. As you can see, it's put a dotted line around it. Now hold the shift key on the keyboard and click on the rest of the letters. So this should put a dotted line around all of the letters. So what we want to do now is we want to grow. So if we go to select, click on grow. If we set that to 20, which is quite a large number, but we'll do it just for this example, press OK. As you can see, that dotted line has expanded now, which means we can put a colour where the white is. So what we'll do is we go down to the bucket fill tool. We'll select a colour, we'll leave it on black. We will click in between the red and the dotted line. And that is a very easy way to make your text stand out. Now there's an issue with the text. As you can see, the black cuts off there on both sides. So to resolve this, we need to mess about with the boundary size. So if I press Ctrl and Z, and we'll just go all the way back again. So once we're back to this position, so what you want to do is click on layer. You've got layer boundary size. If you click on that, as you can see, this black line around the outside of the text is your boundary. So we need to expand that. So where we've got width and height, if we increase those, as you can see, we've got a much larger space now. But what we want to do is we want to grab the text and move it into the middle of the box and press resize. Now as you can see there, that boundary size has gone a lot larger. So if we do what we've just done, so we've got all our text selected. If we go back to grow, we'll leave it on 20, press OK. We'll fill, we'll use black. And as you can see now, all of the text fits fine, all the black around the outside of the text fits fine as well. If you like the content that's been created on this channel, please hit the subscribe button. You'll find it in the bottom right of each of the videos.